Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream graham. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, I'll guide you through creating the perfect graham cracker crust, a crucial foundation for this delightful treat. Next, we'll meticulously layer the creamy ice cream with delicious toppings. Finally, I'll share the secret to achieving the ideal frozen consistency, guaranteeing a truly satisfying dessert experience for everyone. To begin, you'll need 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed graham cracker crumbs. Mix these with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a medium bowl. Next, melt 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter until it's completely liquid, then pour it over the crumb mixture. Stir everything together until it's well combined and resembles wet sand. Finally, press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking pan, forming your delicious crust. Now for the fun part, layering. Take 1/2 gallon of your favorite vanilla ice cream, soften just enough to spread easily, and spread half of it evenly over your prepared graham cracker crust. Next, drizzle a generous amount of chocolate syrup over the ice cream layer. Then, sprinkle about 1 cup of additional crushed graham crackers on top. Repeat these layers with the remaining ice cream, syrup, and crumbs to build a truly decadent dessert. Once all your layers are complete, it's time for the most important step, chilling. Place your ice cream graham in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set completely. This ensures a firm, sliceable dessert. When you're ready to serve, dip a sharp knife in warm water for a few seconds to get clean, precise cuts. Garnish with a sprinkle of extra graham crumbs or a dollop of whipped cream for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.